Hello student, I am Rekha Bhavsar from Adya Krantivir Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya English Medium, New Panvel. In last lecture, we have studied how to solve simultaneous equation using graphical method. Today, we are going to start determinant. Student, see here AB and this CD. This full in this symbol is called as a determinant. See, A, B and this C and D are rows. A, C and this B, D are columns. Degree of this determinant is 2 because there are 2 elements in each column and 2 elements in each row. Determinant represents a number which is AD minus BC. Determinants usually represented with capital letters as A, B, C and D. Determinants usually represented are capital letters with capital letters as A, B, C and D, etc. One example is there. Find the values of following determinants. A is equal to 5, 3 and 7, 9 in this 2 vertical line symbol. Then you take the cross multiplication. 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45 minus 3 into 7. 3 into 7. 3 into 7 21. 45 minus 21 is equal to 24. Understood student how to find the value of determinants? See here. Determinant method or Cramer's rule. Using determinants, simultaneous equation can be solved easily in less space, and this method is known as a determinant method. This method was first given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer, and so it is also known as a Cramer's method. Then how to use this Cramer's method? First, to use Cramer method, the equation are written as a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Means our standard form of simultaneous equation. Then capital D. You know that determinant is denoted by capital letters. Determinant D is equal to a1 a2 and b1 b2. dx means for finding the value of x, you find first dx. dx is equal to c1 c2 b1 b2. For finding the value of dy, a1 a2 and c1 c2. Arrange these numbers in this way and then find x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. See here one example. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. 5x plus 3y equal to minus 11. This is the first equation. And 2x plus 4y equal to minus 10. This is the second equation. Arrange this in the determinant D as 5, 2 this way, 3, 4. Then take the cross multiplication means 5 into 4. 5 into 4 20. Minus sign between this. Then 3 2s are 6. 20 minus 6 you get the 4. D of x, then you arrange 11 as a C1 minus 10 as a C2. So 11, 10 and here 3 and 4. Then again take the cross multiplication. 11 minus 11 into 4 minus 10 into 3. Minus 11 into 4 is what? Minus 44. Minus 10 into 3 minus 30. Right? Then minus 44 minus into minus, you know that plus 30. Then take the subtraction. minus 44 plus 30. You get the value minus 14. You know that bigger number is 44. That bigger number 44 having sign minus, and that's why 14 having minus sign. Then next dy. 5 2 minus 11 minus 10. Means here arrange the C1 C2 and then B1 B2. Okay. Then 5 into minus 10 minus 2 into 11. 5 into minus 10 and minus 2 into minus 11. Minus 50 minus into bracket minus 22. Minus 50 plus 22. Then you get minus 28. Then use the Cramer rules formula. X is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to minus dx value is minus 14. D value is 14. So substitute the values. Then you get the answer minus 1. Y. Y is a formula. Y is equal to dy upon d. Substitute dy as minus 28. D as a 14. Then you get minus 28 upon 14. You get the value minus 2. Then xy is equal to minus 1 and minus 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Student, see practice set 1.3. First question, fill in the blanks with correct number. Means this type of question for 1 marks or 2 marks in activity based question. 3 into 5. You write here minus 2 into 4. 3 into 5, 15. Minus 2 4s are 8. 15 minus 8, then you get the 7. Again one more example. Find the values of following determinants from this. You solve one example. Minus 1, 2 and 7, 4. Then take the cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Minus 7 2s are 14. So minus 4 minus 14 you get minus 18. Okay student, I think you understood determinants and that determinant method or Cramer rules method. So solve the question number 3rd of practice set 1.3 for homework. Thank you student.